how to fix queued email on Gmail app. So if you want to fix queued email on Gmail app, then first you need to open up your Gmail application, and you can simply go for the upper left, which has that three bar icon, and scroll down, go for settings, and under settings you need to choose the account which you are using currently. So simply choose the account and then scroll down, scroll all the way down, and here you will have data usage. So under data usage, if you have that sync Gmail option turned on, then you need to turn that off, and once you turn that off, you need to again turn that on. Okay, and then again turn it on, and once you do that, you can simply go back and then remove that, and you need to open up your Play Store, go for the search bar and search for Gmail. Once you've searched, here you will have the application. So if you have an update option, then you might find some kind of problem. So simply tap on update if you have that option and update your Gmail application. And once you've updated, your problems might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, remove that and then open up your settings and scroll down and go for apps and open up your Gmail on your settings and then go for storage and cache and clear the cache. And once you've done that, you can go back. Now your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you need to restart your device by simply holding on to that power button. And here you will have restart option. Simply restart, and once you restart, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you fix your queued email on Gmail app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.